In front of me is REDMI Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now to add a password, click on Add Password here and enter all of your informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email and phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!